Welcome to the DHgate Buying Guide, your comprehensive resource for navigating the world of online wholesale shopping. DHgate is a popular platform that connects buyers with Chinese manufacturers and wholesalers, offering a vast array of products at competitive prices. To get started, it is essential to understand the basics of DHgate and how it works. First, create an account on the DHgate website, which is free and straightforward. Once registered, you can begin browsing the vast catalog of products, which includes everything from electronics and clothing to home goods and beauty products. Use the search function to find specific items, or browse by category to discover new products. When searching for products, pay attention to the seller's ratings and reviews. A high rating and positive feedback indicate a reliable seller, while low ratings and negative reviews may signal potential issues. Also, check the product description, pricing, and shipping details carefully before making a purchase. DHgate offers various payment options, including credit cards, PayPal, and wire transfers. Be cautious when using wire transfers, as they can be risky and may not offer the same level of protection as other payment methods. Additionally, be aware of the payment processing fees, which may vary depending on the method used. One of the most critical aspects of shopping on DHgate is understanding the shipping process. DHgate sellers often use various shipping methods, including e-packet, EMS, and DHL. E-packet is a popular choice for small packages, offering fast and affordable shipping to many countries. However, shipping times and costs can vary greatly depending on the seller, product, and destination. To ensure a smooth and successful buying experience, it is crucial to communicate effectively with sellers. If you have questions or concerns about a product, do not hesitate to contact the seller directly. DHgate also offers a dispute resolution process, which can help resolve issues that may arise during the buying process. To avoid potential pitfalls, be aware of the following best practices. Always research the seller and product thoroughly before making a purchase. Check the product description, pricing, and shipping details carefully, and be cautious of extremely low prices, which may indicate a scam. Additionally, keep records of your purchases, including receipts, invoices, and communication with sellers. In conclusion, shopping on DHgate can be a rewarding experience, offering access to a vast array of products at competitive prices. By following the guidelines outlined in this tutorial, you can navigate the platform with confidence, avoid potential pitfalls, and ensure a successful buying experience. Remember to research sellers and products carefully, communicate effectively, and be aware of the shipping process and payment options. With these tips and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of DHgate and enjoy a seamless online shopping experience.